Hey feds, let's make sure we have our numbers correct. This is what this person was asking in this question here. So if we contribute 10%, they match 5% for a total of 15 total contribution per year. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. You can contribute 10%. They contribute 5%. So what you really have in effect is 15% of your salary given to you each year. Well, given to you, contributed, put in your TSP each year. That's 15%. That's a decent amount of your yearly salary being invested for later on for when you retire. Now, are there details to that? Is it just I contribute 10% no matter what, and I get 5% no matter what? No, it's not quite that way. There are certain rules and certain things you have to do to make sure that you get that and that it happens correctly. But overall, in the end, if you contribute 10, if you contribute 15, they'll still match the 5, and now you have 20%. Really starts to add up. And we cover a lot of these rules and how it works and different ways to think about this so that as you're investing in the TSP, you can feel great about your TSP and what direction you're going. Make sure you join us for a workshop.